What is, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another curl kit unboxing. I was out of the country and I just got back to the States and I'm late, but let me lower this. I'm a bit late on this box, but I still wanted to do an unboxing video because I was looking so forward to coming home and like seeing what I got in the mail, my PR mail. So I wanted to like come at you guys because I don't think I did June, but I'm gonna do July's unboxing for Curlkit. So let's get this poppin'. If you guys didn't know, Curlkit is a subscription box for girls with curly hair or boys, you know, whatever. And you can get natural curly hair stuff mailed to you. So instead of you always buying like products at Walmart or Target or wherever you buy your curls, they get mailed to you for like $20, and it's full size products and sample sizes, which is well worth it. Like I always say, I will leave a 10% discount code on your first order down below. If you guys want to use my code, you're more than welcome to. So let's get this started. So first thing I always look at is their magazine, and they always have these gorgeous girls. First product that I see here is Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Hold and Shine Moisture Mix. So I guess you can like carry this with you, and like if your curls are looking a bit dry, you can just like put this on and go. Coconut oil, silk protein, and neem oil control frizz while adding brilliant shine. So that's awesome. If you guys want to use this as like since I do the log method, I'd use this as like a leave-in oil. So log is leave-in oil cream. I would use this as a leave-in, put an oil, and then like a cream based product in my hair. So this would be really good for like a leave-in. Instead of having just water in your hair, you can put this on, and I think it'll help a lot with your curls. Wow, Cream of Nature. So literally, like, they've been partnering up a lot with Cream of Nature, but these products are so bomb. Like, it's well worth it. It's like Cream of Nature hydrating curl detangler. What? Damn, yes, detangler. Oh my god, this is bomb. Curl detanglers are literally life. Y'all don't understand. Curls detangling it is so crazy. When I don't have a detangler, I don't even, what's life without a detangler? I don't know. So this is Argan Oil from Morocco Smoothing Edge Glue. So this is for like your edges. Then they sent Argan Oil, Sulfate, a shampoo. I just like love how it's so like I don't know why Moroccan oil, like Argan Oil reminds me so much of like Egyptian, with the gold. I don't know, maybe I'm whack, who knows. It smells so good though. I'm so excited to use this. It hydrates and detangles. Oh my god, they looking out for us girls here, detangling stuff. And lastly, Shea Moisture Coconut Curl and Shine Hair Mask. And lately, if y'all didn't know, being that it's summer, y'all really, girls like us with curly hair, we really need to have hydrating masks, because since we're in the pool, we're in the beach, we're like out and about, the sun does affect our curls and stuff like that. And water, like sea water, you know, salt water, like pool water, stuff like that, really does affect your hair. So masks are real, and this is so nice of them. Thank you so much. No sulfates. Shea Moisture is pop. So yeah, yo, that is the unboxing for Curlkit for the month of July. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Love y'all.